Garlic is both a very popular seasoning and a powerful antibiotic. It contains numerous medicinal properties, especially due to its active compounds. It can lower our blood pressure, decrease bad cholesterol levels, promote vein dilation, and activate the functions of our liver. Eating garlic has also been tied to the prevention of heart diseases, the flu, colds, and even some types of cancer. But in order to obtain these benefits, you have to eat garlic the right way. In today's video, we're going to list some of the most common mistakes people make when eating garlic. Taking garlic supplements. Due to its practicality, most people prefer taking garlic supplements in order to avoid both its odor and characteristic flavor. However, it's important to know that garlic supplements, garlic powder, or dry garlic extract doesn't have as much therapeutic power as garlic does when it's in its natural state. Cooking using garlic. Cooking with garlic is very common, and we use it to prepare most dishes. However, during the cooking process, allicin, one of its most beneficial active compounds, can be lost. A good way to prevent this from happening is to crush the garlic while it's still raw and wait 10 minutes before cooking it. Taking care of your intestinal flora. Since it's a powerful antibiotic, garlic can also affect the good bacteria in our intestines. It is indicated for anyone who has taken antibiotics on a regular basis because replenishing the intestinal flora with probiotic foods is important. Only eat fresh garlic. Buying fresh ingredients is always the best choice. But have you noticed that after it's been stored for a while, garlic can start sprouting? Most people throw it away when this happens because they think it's rotten. The truth is that then the antioxidant capacity of garlic is even greater than when it's fresh. Use enough garlic. If you want to fight an infection and use garlic as a remedy, always make sure you consume it in the proper amounts. A small clove of garlic will probably not be enough. For therapeutic purposes, the recommended amount is 2 or 3 medium-sized cloves a day. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.